Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. So finally the wait is over. The Saudi government scholarship portal is officially open, which you can apply to study in top university in Saudi Arabia, including Islamic University of Medina, Qura University, Taiba University, and many other universities that participate in this scholarship. So as you can see, the website has been fully designed this year. So the application process might also look different. So by default, the language of this website is Arabic. You can click on this section to make it English based on your preferred language. So the website has been redesigned as you can see. So make sure you watch this video until the end so that you don't miss any important step. To start the application, what you need to do is click on this start your application. You can see the list of available university. You can see all the available government universities here. Like this, these are government universities. They offer scholarship, and these are the private university in Saudi Arabia. Definitely, this should be on not on scholarship. So make sure you read the university description, the program description before you apply to the program, because there are many programs that they are not on the scholarship. So to start your application, click on the sign in, create account. So here we are now login. So back to the video. To start the application, just click on this section, then my profile. So this is the section. And click on save and continue. Then these are some of the attachments you. After completing all this, then click on save and continue. Then I have already done with this. So is to choose the university and the program you wish to apply. So just click on apply program like this. So after clicking on preference, come here, then choose preference like this. So as you can see, there have been many updates compared to the last video we made. A lot of updates were made in the photo like this. As you can see, a lot of filters and other things. So these are the some of the preference and choose. So come back to this, find your program like this. Then if you are specifically looking for fully funded scholarship, make sure you use this filter. Make sure you use this filter option. The platform include option for fully funded program, partial funded and self-funded program. So applying to the correct filter will help you avoid any confusion. So to apply for a fully funded scholarship, just filter it with this fully funded. It will show you only available programs that are fully funded. If you prefer to study in Arabic or English, you can also select your preferred language of instruction using the available filter like this. Select maybe you want to study under Arabic programs or English program, so you can use this filter like this to filter it with Arabic or English program. Also you can filter with universities, as I explained in our previous video. You can filter it, choose the other top. These are the some university, but not that there are some university here that are not on fully funded scholarships. So you can also filter it with city, Adha, and all that. These are all the city available, that all the university are in this city. Additionally, you can choose your academic level based on your background, whether you are looking for diploma, associate diploma, bachelor program, higher diploma, masters, order like fellowship or PhD program. So using this filter will make your selection process much easier and more accurate. Once you have completed everything, then let's assume as you can see, if I wanted to select only available, let's assume I wanted to select only Islamic related programs. So I will search for them like this. These are only fully funded program. You can see this is the course Bachelor of Computer Science. You can view details like this. You can see it covers tuition fee, accommodation, travel ticket, monthly stipend, medical insurance. If you are interested to study this program, to apply for this program, you can click on this add preference. Once you click on add preference, your program will be added and it will count here. So you can apply up to 25 programs based on your desire choice. As you can see, I have select almost 21 programs, so I will choose the remaining 4 programs so that you can know how to do it. So let me choose university like King Khalid, King Abdulaziz University. So King Abdulaziz University offer Arabic language diploma program for non-native speakers. This is for international students, both and female candidates can apply, and this is fully funded scholarship. This program is like for King Salman Global Academy for teaching Arabic to native speaking program, but this program is for 2 years program, while King Salman is just 8-month program. So if you wish to study Arabic language non-native speakers, you can apply to this program, King Salman Global Academy. Few details like this you will find. I have already added it. You can find it like it is fully funded program to study Arabic language as a non-native speaker. Also, let me choose. These are all the available program at King Abdulaziz University. As I said, I wanted to select only Arabic related program. This is low. Click details. You can see this is fully funded. I select it. So this is how you do it. There is no fully funded program on this scholarship, as I filter with fully funded scholarship only. So you can see all institutions. Also, one important thing is that this medical courses at Studying Saudi portal are only offered for resident of Saudi Arabia, but alhamdulillah, this if you wish to study medicine, nursing or other related health program, you can apply them as a scholarship. So this is the good development that we have made. International students can study medical courses in Saudi Arabia. So let me show you some of the medical courses here as a bachelor. Islamic program, you see at Qasim University Islamic Studies. This is fully funded program. So to add it, I will just click on this add preference. My preference is now added. So we come back to the place. As you can see, I add 21 over 25. So let me choose this program again. So this is the name of the program. I will click on add preference. So my preference is added successfully. So we come back again and look for another program. This is another program. I will click on this, add preference. You see 24 over 5. I remain only one program to make it into 25. Low. This is a paid program, so make sure you read all the description before you apply. This is also a paid program. Remember, I filter with a fully funded scholarship. The reason is that the filter removed, that's why. So I will come back like this. Sharia Science, the University of Halbi, full scholarship. You can see them, or you click on add preference. So as you can see, I have reached the limit of the selection. I selected 25 program over 25. So now I'm ready for submission. On our last video, the portal is still on updating, and the submission button is not available. So now the submission button is available. You can find the list of preference. You choose either to choose this B preference, or come back here, my preference, select preference. So you can see all the available program I choose from different university. So here you can see Islamic University of Medina. My first choice is Hadith and Islamic Studies and others. And so this is, you can see this Islamic University of Medina, Imam Muhammad bin Abdul bin Saud University. These are the program I choose under fully funded scholarship. King Abdulaziz University, These are the program I choose. There are some programs like Prince Salman. I think Prince Salman University is a university that accepts only female candidates. So you make sure you read all this description. This is for both male and female. You can see King Abdulaziz University. So these are the list of programs I selected from different universities. As you can see them, I think I choose almost 10 universities. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the list of universities I have selected. So I have completed choosing all the list, my preference section. The next thing to do is I'm ready for submission. After viewing all my information, I'm confirmed that I submitted everything correctly. So I will click on this start order, then click on save order. Once you click on save order, you can see your preference will be sent to the education institution. You can modify your preference at any time until the deadline. Once I even submit this, I will not see my application number, because application number will only be available after the deadline 21st May. So I will click on submit. So my order has been successfully submitted. You can see prepare submitted successfully. Go back and make some changes before the deadline if needed. So this is how you successfully submitted your application to the Islam Study in Saudi portal. So I wish you all the best in your application. Keep making dua, stay hopeful, and inshallah you will be granted with a fully funded scholarship to study in Saudi Arabia this year. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. I will see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.